Okay, so this is the property. It is 5.7 acres. And so as you can see, it's a lot of trees, a lot of shrubbery, not too much shrubbery, mostly trees, not a whole lot of grass on this part. But if you could look back there, it's like a brighter, so I think there's less trees back there. It might be more grass behind that area. Okay. Ooh, we got a little entryway right here. Right here. Okay. Okay, and we got the drainage system, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, got the drainage system right here. Is it raining? It's raining right now. Okay. And so, yeah. This is the property over here.